Welcome back to my channel. So I did a lot of cleaning today, guys. I got back home from dropping off the kids at 8. I started with the front yard and then I moved towards the back and I finished at like 1:30. That's how much cleaning I've been doing back here. So look at the nice fake grass. Ooh, squirrel shot. Let's see. Hey squirrel, what you doing? Don't mess with my plants. Anyways, so yeah, clean the fake grass, clean the rocks. I already came out here and there was leaves already from the mango tree. I picked them up. But oh yeah, that stuff I put there because I need to put away, and I was cleaning up that table. It's about to be 7. It's 7 o'clock pretty much now in the afternoon here, in the evening. So the sun is going down. It's right in my face. But I just wanted to show you guys in the evening what it looks like, because I always show you in the morning. And obviously in the evening the sun is going down on the west and it rises on the east. So showing you guys what it looks like. Everything looks good. I took down the umbrella. I took it down for the fish because the palm trees, both of these palm trees have gotten so big that they no longer need the umbrella right now. But you know what, guys, I just looked over here and I see something really weird on that palm. Let me go show you. I don't know what that is. It looks pretty gross. Let me see what it is. What is that? That's weird. You see on that palm there's like a bunch of dark stuff, like if it was, I don't even know if I'm showing you guys. It's right there. There you go, right there, guys. Yeah, there you go. It looks like dirt, but it's not, obviously. I don't know what that is. I just saw that. Anyways, but yeah, these palm trees have this one, and this is a different type of palm than that one. I'm sorry, I forgot to zoom out. So this one is different than that one, obviously, but they both are really tall. Guys, we put this here when we moved in this house. We put it here, and look at how big they are. They were originally smaller, a little bit smaller than those. They're the same. We got them all at the same time. And some we put in pots and some we put into the ground. And look what happened. See what happens when you put stuff in the ground? Anyway, so yeah, cleaned all that up. This looks good here. So yeah, that looks okay. I think it still looks kind of funky, but I don't know. I don't know what it is. I don't know what's wrong with this plant. To me, it doesn't look as happy as it used to. So I don't know what to do with that. But anyways, yeah, that pencil cactus took very well. It rooted. That one had gotten really huge, and so I cut it and made it small again. I like it actually in the smaller side, but yeah. Anyways, these are looking so good, and I'm so proud of them. They've been there already for more than 2 years. And I don't really have to worry about them. So yeah, this one is recent. That one is I think I did it this spring. Yeah. So yeah, I was gonna ask you guys, do you guys know why this happens? I mean, this jade has been here for a very long time, and I don't know what's wrong with it. It looks a little unhappy. So don't know if it's burn. It looks like burn, but it's been there forever. So yeah, look at my ghost plant. So yeah, anyways, I wasn't really doing a tour, guys. I was just showing you that I cleaned a lot. So I don't think I mentioned the pot that I had here when we had that random wind storm out of nowhere. Fell over and broke a few of my pots. Oh yes, I did show it on Instagram and on YouTube story. I did show it. So I moved it over there. Now it's over there, so now it can't fall anywhere. And I finally picked up the mess. I did not touch that till today, guys. That's how I just didn't want to know anything that had, I didn't want nothing to do with it. That's how upset I was. But yeah, but these are looking really good. Oh, I took down my shade cloths too as well. I took them down. The only one that's up, that stayed up, is this one, just because I was still a little unsure. But yeah, I just took a chance and took them all down. So I hope that everything's gonna be okay. But yeah, see, no shade cloths anywhere. I pulled out all the weeds. I picked up all the random plants that I had there on the floor. That I hung there because I had to remind myself to wash it, because I shoved it in a corner over there and it got wet, and the parts that were folded and got wet, I think got a little moldy. So I'm gonna try to see if I can clean it and remove the mold. We'll see. But anyway, move this domino cactus here because it's started to thin out. If you can see, it was getting a little, like, I would say it looks pointy, all right, instead of round, solid round. So I moved it over here to get more sun. I cleaned that. I took off I think I had fire sticks in there, sticks on fire. I took them out. They just were not looking all that in there. It just looked too busy. So I just pulled it out. I'm like, no, it's gotta go. Pulled it out, and I like it. It looks so much cleaner and just more put together. So over here, I cleaned this area too. The basket I have to redo. I have to redo that basket. Here I have some plants that are doing really well over here, so I am leaving them there for now. Yeah. Hey, you know what? I need to throw this in my hand that I kept picking up. Oh, I cleaned a bunch of my pots and I put them there. I left this table out just so it could be a table where if I need shade and I want to work somewhere, I can come over here at different times of the day. There's sun here, or on the other side they like to work on. So whenever there's shade in one, I'll just go to that one. I was gonna show you this plant. So this plant back here, not that one. I need to cut that. You see that? My mother-in-law brought this from Cuba, but it reminds me of a type of Hoya. You guys know what kind of plant that is? I know that this, someone told me it's some type of fern. This is like some type of fern. I don't know. But that reminds me of what a Hoya looks like. There's different types of Hoyas, but I'm not sure if that is. Let me know what you think that is. So yeah, I just did a lot of cleaning. I emptied out a bunch of pots that were empty and that had soil in them, and I just all dumped them in that pot, so that I can slowly grab some of that old soil with new soil and mix it up and use it, recycle it. So yeah, that's it. That bucket's there because I have water, rainwater in there that I took out the rain barrel to water my plants that are underneath the gazebo. They're in dire need of water because they don't get rained on in there, and I'm terrible at watering, guys. Like, that's why I like my plants outside, and in the greenhouse they need water as well, so I gotta do that as well. But for now, I mean, they're looking good. Some of them look yeah, like they have a little fungus. So you see that dark stuff? If you guys know how to remove that, let me know. I know that there is some fungal spray, but I just want to make sure that you guys use something that you can recommend that you know works for sure. So I'll buy it and try to use it and see if it gets rid of it. Yeah, see? Even there, it's just the humidity and the wetness is causing fungus on the plants. Some of them, not all, but yeah. Then I just have a bunch of propagation there everywhere. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that I cleaned. The other day, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. The other day I went into the house and I don't know what my husband asked me, you know, and I was just overwhelmed when I came back here. It was all messy. And I said, yeah, I'm ready to get rid of all my plants. I'm just ready to clean the whole backyard and just have it all plain. He's like, really? I'm like, yeah, I'm ready. And then when he saw me talking about plants again, he's like, oh, I thought you're getting rid of it. I'm like, no, I was just having a bad day. So yeah, these guys are doing super well. I'm so proud of them. Look at that. No maintenance. No maintenance whatsoever. They're just there. And they're so happy. I like these. I want to try to hang more over here because I think that they like it. So yeah, I brought this one over here. But the weird thing is, so I made this arrangement. I can see here that these leaves got burned. But the funny thing is, I got these from that table that gets a lot of sun. But I think I know what happened now. Now that I'm thinking about it while I'm telling you guys, I had trimmed these off the plant and then I put them in the greenhouse to root. And then I guess I didn't think about, you know, like having them get afternoon sun slowly. I went ahead and popped them in here. So this is why these are the only ones that got burned. The other ones didn't because they were already on that table. The only ones that I had in my greenhouse rooting were the kalanchoys. So yeah, there's 2 different types of kalanchoys in here. I don't recall their names, but I know this one's Panda. I can tell right away, Panda, but that's it. So yeah, a cubic frost, a black prince, and a Echeveria Lola. So that's it. And yeah, I would like to find more of these pots so I can have more on there. I think they're super cute. And that's it for now, guys. I just wanted to show you guys in the evening what it looks like back here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. You guys always leave some lovely comments for me to read, and I appreciate it. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye, guys.